Hello everyone and welcome to ShikayatAI. This project was built for Google and Kaggle AI agents Capstone project. In a megacity like Karachi, Pakistan, with over 20 million people, navigating civic bureaucracy is a nightmare. Citizens often don't know which department handles their issue, where to complain, or how to draft a formal letter in English or Urdu. Shikayat AI abstracts all of that complexity away using a multi-agent AI pipeline built on Google Agent Development Kit and Llama 3. See it in action. A citizen doesn't need to know bureaucratic jargon. They just simply type their problem in plain conversational Roman Urdu or English. For example, 3 दिन से पानी नहीं आ रहा, which means no water for 3 days, and in location I'm adding Shah Faisal. So when we hit submit, our Google ADK pipeline takes over. First, a safety agent ensures this isn't a medical emergency. Then a classifier agent figures out exactly which government department is responsible. And finally, a researcher agent executes live Google searches to find that department's active official portals and helplines. In just seconds, the pipeline determines this is a water and sewage board issue. It provides the official live helpline, but the real magic is the drafter agent. It generates a highly formal, ready-to-print official letter in English, complete with a unique number reference and today's date, obviously, and to ensure true accessibility for local population. It simultaneously generates a perfect formal Urdu draft, fully supporting right-to-left formatting and a beautiful Nastaliq fonts. To respect citizen privacy, we do not maintain a public history of sensitive complaints. Instead, the backend uses SQLite to save complaints against their secure reference number. A user can easily track and retrieve their specific complaint later without exposing their data to the public. Under the hood, a fast API backend drives the system. The orchestration runs on the Google Agent Development Kit. It routes tasks directly to the Groq Llama 3 model. You can see the distinct agent files here. The system uses a strict JSON schema via Python to lock down agent outputs. This guarantees predictable production level stability. Shikayat AI doesn't just demonstrate agentic AI, it uses it to actively democratize access to civic services. Uh, this was Shikayat AI. Thank you for watching.